What if I told you that the universe doesn't just contain intelligence, but might itself behave like a brain? Not metamorphically, not poetically, but structurally, mathematically, and functionally. Think about it. A human brain has billions of neurons connected by trillions of synapses, forming networks that process information, adapt, and evolve. Now zoom out. Galaxies connected by filaments. Clusters formed very basics of the networks. Every energy flowing, information spreading. Different scale, same patterns. Today we are going to explore a serious unsettling question. Why does the cosmos behave like a brain? And if it does, what does that mean for us, tiny thinking beings inside it? This video is not about religion, it's about fantasy. It's about patterns science keeps stumbling upon and the uncomfortable implications they carry. Let's begin. The shocking structural similarity. Scientists once believed that the universe was random on large scales. Then they mapped it. What they found is called the cosmic web. Huge filaments of galaxies stretching across billions of light years, connected at dense nodes with vast empty voids in between. Now here's the strange part. When neuroscientists map the human brain, they see neurons connected by axons, forming dense hubs with relatively empty regions in between. In 2020, physicians literally compared the neural network of the human brain, the large-scale structure of the universe. And the math didn't just sort of match, it matched disturbingly well. Same power law distribution, same clustering behavior, same efficiency of information pathways, different materials, same architecture. This raises a question that no one likes to ask. Why would nature reuse the same design from brains to galaxies? Information, the common currency. A brain is not just matter, it's information processing. Neurons fire, signals propagate, patterns form, memories emerge. Now look at the universe. Particles interact, fields fluctuate, energy transfers, structures emerge. Modern physics intentionally suggests something radical. The universe runs on information. Black holes store information. Quantum systems exchange information. Even space-time itself may be an information network. Some physicists now argue matter and energy are secondary, information is fundamental. If that's true, then the universe itself isn't just stuff. It's a processing system, just like a brain. Self-organization, no central controller. Here's another brain-like feature. No neurons knows the whole brain. No single neuron is in charge. Yet intelligence emerges. Now ask yourself, is there a central controller of the universe? A cosmic CPU? A master controls room? No. Yet order emerges everywhere. Galaxies form, stars organize, life arises, consciousness appears. This is called self-organization. The same principle that allows ant colonies to act intelligently, brain to think, markets to behave unpredictably, also governs cosmic structure information, galaxy clustering, and energy forming in the universe. The universe behaves like a distributed intelligence, not conscious in a human way, but not blind chaos either. Evolution, cosmic learning. Brain doesn't just exist, they learn, they adapt through different feedback. Now look at the universe over time. Early universe simple, hot, uniform. Late universe complex, structured and diverse. From particles to atoms to stars to chemistry to life to minds. Complexity keeps increasing. Some scientists propose a wild idea. What if the universe is exploring possibilities, keeping stable patterns, discarding unstable ones? That's basically learning. Not intentional learning, but selection through physics. Just like neural pathways strengthens or weakens. Are we part of a cosmic brain? This is when it gets uncomfortable. If the universe behaves like a brain, then what are we? Random accidents or localized regions of self aware processing? Human brains are made of neurons that don't know the whole, yet the brain as a whole knows. Maybe consciousness isn't rare. Maybe it's just complex information networks do naturally. Maybe the universe doesn't think like us, but thinks like through us. We might be the universe observing itself, the cosmic being becoming aware of its own structure. As Carl Sagan once said, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Why the idea is resisted. So why isn't this talked about anymore? Because it breaks categories. It's not pure physics, pure neuroscience, pure philosophy. It lives in between, and modern systems have ideas that doesn't fit on boxes. Also, the idea scares people because if intelligence is not special, if it's emergent and universal, then humans are not separate from the universe. We're embedded in it, not hierarchy, no chosen center, just pattern within patterns. What this means for you. So, does the universe have a mind? Not in a human sense, but does it behave like a brain? The evidence says yes, structurally and functionally. And maybe the real question isn't is the universe alive, but at what scale does intelligence stop being recognizable to us? Maybe we are neurons asking if the brain exists. If this idea resonates with you, it's because you already feel it. This reality is deeper than rules and systems. The intelligence is not scarce. That limits are human made and not the cosmic. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and subscribe. Because this channel isn't about answers, it's about thinking beyond the cage. Until next time, keep questioning the universe.